Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by validating license and role access, because without proper entitlements, onboarding will fail. Once done, open the Defender portal and choose the correct tenant. Make sure Intune or your preferred MDM is available. Download the platform-specific onboarding package and gather your device groups. Then, prepare deployment. Choose group policy, Intune, or local script, and verify network connectivity to Microsoft endpoints so sensors can communicate after installation. You now deploy sensors to a pilot group and monitor telemetry to validate stability. Start small to limit blast radius. Once pilot installs succeed, scale via Intune or GPO and simultaneously enable EDR in block or alert mode. Configure attack surface reduction rules and automated investigation playbooks so threats are triaged faster. Also, make sure to set appropriate exclusions and telemetry levels and integrate conditional access to enforce device compliance. You finish by validating that sensors report healthy status and that alerts appear for test detections. This confirms real-time visibility. Once validation passes, integrate Defender with Sentinel or your SIEM to centralize alerts and automate response. Make sure to document remediation steps and tune policies to reduce noise. If something goes wrong, sensor not reporting, check connectivity, time sync, and onboarding token validity first. Those three resolve most deployment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.